Struggling to insert image in Word document in shape like this? Then follow these three methods. First, you need to go to the Insert tab. Under the shape, select the shape of your choice and then draw a shape. Click on the shape. Under the Shape Format tab, go to the Shape Fill option and select the option Picture. Select the picture from your computer and click on Insert to insert picture in the shape. In the next method, you can go to the Insert tab, select the shape, right click and go to the Format Shape. Under the field, select the option Picture or Text field. Then click on Insert and select the picture. You can also go to the Insert tab. This time, select the picture from your computer instead of the shape. Resize the picture. Under the picture format, go to the crop and select the option crop to shape and select the shape of your choice. You can resize the shape like this, and if you want to move the shape, you can right click on the shape, go to the wrap text option and select in front of text. Now you will be able to move the shape with the picture anywhere inside the Word document. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn Microsoft Word quickly. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon